Hi there, and let me show you how to delete chat in Qwen AI. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your desired web browser. In the search bar of the web browser, type in Qwen AI, and you will get into this interface. And you have to select this icon from the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. In the pop-up, you can see various chat you have entered in Qwen AI. In order to delete them, you have to select the desired chat you want to delete. Tap on it. And you can see 3-dot menu. Tap on it. Here there are various options available. At last you can see the option of delete. Tap on it and it will ask for your confirmation and you have to tap on confirm. And that's how you delete chat in Qwen AI.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.